do you move on from a life you never got to live?
Anyone home?
Jack is not coming back. There's nothing you could have done. There wasn't enough room on the door for both of you.
We spent 3 weeks searching the Atlantic for bodies from Titanic. And we found them all.
What's this?
Except one.
His body was washed up on the beach in Ibiza. His wallet and ID were in his pocket.
Well, that's convenient.
Quite.
But I thought he was dead. Didn't he drown on the Titanic?
Well, of course, it is what we all thought until now.
They never found a body.
Jack, Rose had to let you go. We all thought you were dead, like a frozen popsicle. Jack, Rose deserves to know the truth. You need to go to her. You belong together.
I'm not an idiot. I know how the world works. I've got $10 in my pocket. I have nothing to offer you, and I know that. I understand. But I'm too involved now. You jump, I jump, remember? I can't turn away without knowing you'll be all right. That's all that I want.
Well, I'm fine. I'll be fine. Really.
Really? I don't think so.
I'm sorry,